Mamanisa with your English lecture number 3, and the topic is sky, grass and root letters. The teaching objectives are students will be able to know in English we use 4 lines, or you can say concept of 4 lines. Uppercase letters on top line, grass letters on middle lines, root letters on bottom lines. First of all, you can see in the above picture there is a concept of 4 lines. When we open our English copy, then we see that it is 4-line English copy. So the first line is the top line. The first line we say is the top line. And the two middle lines are called middle lines. And after the top line there are 2 lines and it is called middle lines. And at last the fourth one is bottom line. First line is top line, second and third lines are middle lines, and the fourth one is bottom line. So now I am going to tell you about the root letters. In the picture you can see that there is a tree, and tree has leaves on it, and it has a stem, and roots are under the ground. There are small roots under the ground. It means that we will write root letters in the lower 3 lines, means bottom lines. Root letters will write on last 3 bottom lines. So there are, as you know, that there are 26 alphabets from A to Z, and the root letters are G, J, P, Q, Y. Again I repeat, the root letters are G, J, P, Q, Y. Let's come to the grass letter. As we know that grass is on the ground. Where is the grass? Yes, it is on the ground. So grass letter means that out of these 4 lines, the 2 middle lines we will write the grass letter. On the 2 middle lines we will write the grass letter. So let's read out what are the grass letters. A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z. Again I repeat that the grass letters we will write on the 2 middle lines, and the letters are A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z. Let's come to the sky letters now. Yes, as you know that sky is on the top. Sky is on the top. And on the top 3 lines we will write the sky letters. Let's see that what are the sky letters. B, D, F, H, T, K, L. Again I repeat that as we know that sky is on the top, So we will write sky letters on the top 3 lines: B, D, F, H, T, K, and L. Now there is a home task for you, students. The home task is that there are 26 alphabets from A to Z, and you will circle the sky letters with the blue color, grass letters, as you know that grass is green, so you will circle the grass letter with the green color, and roots are brown because they are under the ground, so the color of the root is brown, so you will circle the root letters with the brown color. So you will do this activity in your notebooks. I hope that your concept of sky, grass, and root letter is much clear now. Thank you. God bless you. Have a productive day ahead.